This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building a flawless base. Clear skin simplifies every look. Cleanse and exfoliate on a schedule to even texture, then lock in hydration with a light moisturizer. Once done, apply SPF 30+ each morning to prevent discoloration and keep collagen. For targeted correction, introduce a vitamin C serum in the daytime and a retinol or niacinamide product at night. This reduces pores and refines tone. These steps make makeup sit better and create that luminous Jennifer Winget glow. You now shape the signature features. Use a neutral matte foundation and apply concealer sparingly so your skin still breathes. For eyes, blend brown and charcoal tones into a soft, smoky shape, tightline the upper lash line, and groom brows into a slightly arched, natural shape. This creates expressive yet refined eyes. Style hair with a deep side part, add root lift for volume, and form loose waves, finishing with a lightweight serum for shine. These choices communicate polish without appearing overdone. You finish the transformation by curating outfits and final touch-ups. Opt for fitted silhouettes in neutrals, black, camel, white, with one accent color to maintain elegance and versatility. Keep accessories minimal: small studs, a slim watch, and a structured bag. Choose heels or sleek loafers depending on occasion. For final fixes, blot excess oil, blend makeup edges with a damp sponge, and soften any harsh lines with a light dusting of translucent powder. If something looks too severe, gently smudge and reassess lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.